like a lot of pieces of Boulder Opal, this doesn't look like much, and from where you're looking right now it isn't. But when you turn it over, it's got two nice seams here, bright bars of colour going through here, follows through right over to here. Electric blues in this one, psychedelic greens in this one, so with this you're going to have to cut it into a couple of pieces, probably through there somewhere. And look and see what you're going to get with these. Whether you end up with two bars of colour, it's hard to say at this stage. But to do this material you have to basically sacrifice some and work on what's left. Maybe grind this face off here first so you can see what sort of line, what sort of colour you're getting through there. But, it's a bit of a gamble. You might end up with some very nice gems. You might end up with opal with a lot of potch in it. It's hard to say. But the gamble's there. But the price isn't thousands of dollars. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.